Have you ever wondered how lemurs communicate in the wild? Nestled in the lush rainforests and arid regions of Madagascar, lemurs hold a unique place among Earth's diverse fauna. These primates are not only endemic to the island but are also renowned for their distinct social behaviors and physical traits. Today, we're exploring their mysterious world, focusing particularly on their communication methods and the intriguing toothcomb, a specialized set of teeth used for grooming. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the secret life of these fascinating creatures. What if I told you lemurs have a built-in comb? Yes, it's true. Tucked within the jaws of these fascinating creatures is a remarkable adaptation known as the toothcomb. This isn't your typical toothbrush. Instead, it's an array of 6 to 8 tightly packed front teeth, uniquely evolved to serve multiple purposes. Primarily, lemurs use their toothcomb for grooming. As they meticulously comb through their fur, they remove dirt, untangle knots, and importantly, evict unwanted parasites. This isn't just about looking good, it's crucial for their health. Maintaining clean and parasite-free fur is vital in the wild, where diseases can spread quickly. Ever heard a sound that sent shivers down your spine in the middle of the forest? It might have been a lemur. These vocal virtuosos of the forest use an array of sounds that are as varied as they are vital. Let's delve into the symphony of sounds produced by these fascinating creatures. Lemurs, with their wide-eyed gaze and nimble movements, are not just visual spectacles but also auditory maestros. Each species has its own unique set of vocalizations, which they use to communicate within the dense forests of Madagascar. From the deep, resonant calls of the indri, which can be heard from over 2 miles away, to the high-pitched squeaks of the mouse lemur, each sound serves a specific purpose. Mating calls are particularly melodious and are used by males to attract females during breeding season. These calls can vary from simple single notes to complex sequences, depending on the species and the individual's strategy to stand out in the chorus of competitors. Alarm calls, on the other hand, are sharp and sudden. They serve to alert fellow lemurs of potential danger. Whether it's a lurking fossa or a human threat, these calls quickly mobilize the group and coordinate their escape or defensive strategies. Moreover, lemurs use contact calls to maintain cohesion within their groups as they navigate through the forest. These sounds ensure that no one gets lost in the lush, often visually obstructive environment of Madagascar. Lemur calls can be as eerie as they are essential for their survival. Their vocal abilities not only enrich the auditory landscape of the forest, but are crucial in the day-to-day existence of these intriguing primates. Lemurs aren't just about survival. They have a vibrant social life too. In the lush canopies of Madagascar, these fascinating creatures exhibit complex social behaviors that are as intriguing as their eerie calls and unique dental features. Let's delve into the social structures of lemur groups, particularly how they use their remarkable toothcombs and vocalizations to forge and maintain social hierarchies and relationships. Among the various species, ring-tailed lemurs stand out with their distinct social habits. These lemurs live in groups called troops, often consisting of 15 to 30 individuals, where grooming plays a pivotal role. Using their specialized toothcombs, they not only keep their fur clean but also strengthen bonds within the troop. This grooming is not just about cleanliness, it's a vital part of their social interaction, helping to establish and reinforce social hierarchies and alliances. Vocal communication among lemurs is equally vital. Their calls can vary from simple contact calls to complex sequences used during social interactions and territory defense. These sounds help maintain group cohesion and alert members to potential dangers or opportunities. From grooming sessions to group calls, lemurs truly know how to stay connected. With all these unique traits, how do we ensure the future of lemurs? Lemurs, with their wide eyes and curious natures, face several threats that jeopardize their survival. Primary among these are habitat destruction and hunting. As forests are cleared for agriculture and other human activities, lemurs lose their homes and sources of food, pushing them towards the brink of extinction. Moreover, in some regions, lemurs are hunted for their meat, a practice that further dwindles their already vulnerable populations. In response to these pressing challenges, a variety of conservation efforts are underway, both locally and globally. These initiatives are crucial in turning the tide for lemurs. On a global scale, organizations are working to raise awareness and funds to support conservation projects. These efforts include habitat restoration, which involves replanting trees and restoring the forest environment essential for lemur survival. Locally, Conservation programs often focus on education and community involvement. By educating the local populations about the importance of lemurs and the risks associated with habitat destruction and hunting, these initiatives foster a sense of stewardship. Many programs also promote ecotourism, which provides a sustainable economic incentive for communities to preserve lemur habitats rather than destroy them. Supporting these conservation efforts can take many forms. One can contribute by donating to reputable wildlife conservation organizations or by spreading awareness about the plight of lemurs. Even small actions like choosing sustainably sourced products and reducing one's environmental footprint can have a positive impact. Moreover, engaging in citizen science projects or supporting policies that protect wildlife and their habitats are other effective ways to contribute to the conservation of these incredible animals. Understanding and protecting lemurs is crucial for biodiversity and the health of our planet. Let's cherish and safeguard these fascinating creatures. Let's take a moment to recap the incredible world of lemurs we've just explored. We delved into their unique toothcombs, a remarkable feature used for grooming and bonding. We then tuned into their eerie vocalizations, which resonate through the forests, facilitating communication over great distances. We also uncovered the intricate social behaviors that define their communities, highlighting their cooperative and complex societies. Thank you for joining us in uncovering the secrets of lemurs. Remember, every creature has a story, and every story deserves a listener.